Hello and welcome to this video. We're going to be looking at the reports that are given to us in Capsule CRM. So I'm going to click straight into reports, and what you'll see on the left hand side is that we now have the ability to create our own dashboards if we want. So I started to build one here, and we can add whatever we want to see into our own dashboard, and we can actually we're given 4 segments here, but we can actually add more in because we can split these segments and we can remove them, etc. So if we click on the plus sign, then we can look at maybe activity types or contacts or organizations by industry, by region, people and organizations by tag. Let's add that one in there. And then if we're particularly interested in that, then maybe we will also want to see activity types by activity by type. And then there's a chart there. And let's split this one in 2. And maybe we want to see some information about opportunities, the number of opportunities closed this month or by quarter. And then maybe we want to compare that to the average opportunity duration or the average number of sales per quarter. There's all sorts of things that we can add there. So let's do perhaps a projected value there. So you can see that we can really make this bespoke dashboard really useful for us and for our business. As well as the dashboard here, the report that we can create for ourselves, we are given some nice dashboards as well. We can look at the activity that are going on within the system. So whether they're a call or an email received or an email sent or a note that's been added or a task that's been completed. And we can actually look at the different users on the system. We can change the date that this dashboard is showing us the information for, and we get to see the more detail on the right hand side. And we get a nice different view at the bottom. We have this nice chart at the bottom as well, and then we get the detail. So we can actually click into that and we can see the detail there. So that's for activities. Tasks, nice and similar, really nice reports. We can see what tasks have been completed. So 31 have been completed, 17 are open or repeating, 11 are overdue, and the total number of tasks is 59. And we get some nice color coding here, so we can add new tasks into the system. So I've added in client work, proposal creation, research, contact nurture. And what we can do is we can actually drill down. We can say, well, I want to just see client onboarding and contact nurture. So, you might see a correlation between the two. And you might add in research because you want to just see how research relates to contact nurture and client onboarding. And this is tasks completed by month, and over on the right hand side you have open tasks by month, and then you have a nice task count here as well. And we also get a nice view for the pipeline, and we get conversion rates, and we get some nice sales reports given to us as well. So pipeline by owner, sales pipeline forecast, pipeline growth, average time to 1. So some really useful stuff here. Now, a lot of these reports are available on the Growth Planner app, not on the Starter, but all of my clients do get Growth with a 50% discount for 3 months. So if you are on the Starter and you are thinking about upgrading and you would like to talk to somebody about whether that would be useful or a good move, then do drop me an email. We can arrange a time to have a chat. But do also let me know if you have any questions about this video or any of the other videos on my channel. And if you've enjoyed the video, then do pop a like onto it and do subscribe to my channel if you'd like to. I share lots of hints and tips and help videos on Capsule and on Transpond. So thank you for watching.